With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello dear students, the question is draw a circuit diagram to explain the ring system of house wiring. State two advantages of it. The circuit diagram for ring system of house wiring is as shown in figure. The advantages of this ring system are: in the ring system the wiring is cheaper, than other system. The second advantage is, in ring system the socket and plugs of same size can be used. Socket and plug of same size can be used. Also, in ring system each appliance has a separate fuse. Each appliance has separate fuse. Which gives an advantage that it does not affect other appliances. These are the advantages of ring system of house wiring. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.